The Azure Garden Centre. We've landed, we're here.
We're here, we've made it. Don't know what the trees is like, but we've made it.
All the way up here.
Oh wait.
Water.
Water.
Do you know what that stuff is?
Nah. I was hoping it was good.
I would expect you to have that avian because it says naive spelt backwards.
Ah, that's what it could be, aye. To nav.
So we're up here, Azure Garden Centre in
Cramlington.
Cramlington. Say it in both accents so you can understand.
Cramlington. Cramlington.
Cramlington.
And with the roundabout, then you're there.
Yeah. Over the roundabout and turn left at the next roundabout. Something like that, anyway. Let's go inside and have a look at what the display's like from this Akamatsu club.
That's good.
Akamatsu.
Red
Akamatsu.
pine. Red pine. That's what it means, red
pine. It
pine.
is Robbie's favourite colour and Robbie's favourite tree.
Red pine.
Let's get in and have a look.
Let's go and have a look at some Shiloh pine.
Oh, it's recording. Hello, little tree.
Hello, little tree. Snippity snip. Choppity chop.
No, we took it easy because we came down yesterday. We stayed here. I used to know those sort of things. So you just got your one tree here?
I've got the large forest in there.
Which forest is that? Oh, that's the one down there.
Have you seen it from the back of that lad?
Would take maybe 2 to 3 similar size.
They just never took me anywhere like the Scotch pine collecting it. People where the Scotch pine were doing shit. Stone.
This is all here. This is all here. You've got to be careful. You can stand here and then see there. It's another 3 feet down. And then it's there and then another. And it's all fluffy, like lynching and all that. And it's got to stand there. You think about it. The only reason is because obviously you're the long dry weather there. So the place was blowing dry, but it's normally a bog.
It's a thing here. It's a campus. Very good.
Hello, little tree.
Here he is, the Swedish chef of bonsai.
Oh, there, little tree. Chippity, what is it?
Snippity snip and a choppity chop.
Choppity chop. Well, Disney couldn't draw that. That's just walked out.
Oh dear. I'm leaving that in.
Yeah. Just sitting there, they can now get like before. You just sit there, Dennis. I'll do your job, Greg. Wet mine. So yeah. Give them the tickets out, I've gone S15 number 1, mate. Oh no. Lad.
I brought them all from radio, you know.
Star of the show.
Always some mature trees.
What are you doing, mate? All right. So I cannot go to thingy. I can't go
Really thin out now, man, mate. It just wants the wire on.
I'm going to start and clean it now. I'm not taking too much off until I know what I want.
No. Tap about the profile a bit.
Yeah.
No, that's right. Yeah, I've left him in the house there. Have you voted? Aye, yeah. Voting again, number S15, mate. I can't win 3 years up the belt.
I didn't know they were coming. We get them for a week.
Surprise?
Aye. So our Gemma's brought them. The three of them come today. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, keep it quiet.
Do you want to cool it down? No. No. She's standing back now. Really, all right? It's all right now. You want to spray your granddad? Happy days. Here. Oh, sorry, Tommy.
Sorry.
You didn't know which. I know. I keep forgetting.
I dropped them.
We've got the same.
Well, he is a granddad. He's just one out.
Aye. I think I've only met Matty.
I know I was going to ask you if you probably would have done.
So we're done. What do you think?
It's alright, big crap like, but no, I'm only joking. We've got
Shells a pie. We'll show you in a minute what won the show, etc. Because obviously we don't even know yet.
No, we're just doing the before and afters before we
Somebody keeps saying S15, S15, S15.
S15.
And number 7, S15 and number 7.
Yes, child of 15 and number 7.
Thanks for watching.
I'll not put a video on, I'll let you watch Scott because he lets do no bonsai apart from shows.
Yes. Let's do show bonsai.
Oh, is that what it is?
Let's do show bonsai.
Or snow bonsai.
So get out there and make the best of the rest of your day. Be kind to each other, animals and the planet. And as always, I'll see you again in the next one.
And ta-da, folks.
Ta-da, folks.